this one of your friends, Hoodle? After all that, how can these people carry on like nothing happened? Didn't Zephyr's words reach anyone in that whole crowd?
The Snake Eyes could be anywhere. People are scared of being reported, so they can't do jack.
And speaking from experience, when you spend so much of your life as a slave, you stop even thinking of standing up and fighting. Calaglia had a lot of people like that.
Well, these people are in no position to demand anything anyway, when they've lost the will to fight and need others to protect them.
These people have had a hard enough time just keeping the fires lit. No one wants to sacrifice their life without good cause.
It is what it is. Once Ganabelt is out of the picture, things in Cislodia are sure to change.
Yeah, I hope so. You'll have no mercy!
Engaging! Blow away!
Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne.
That damn Ganabelt! I hate him!
I'm not seeing very many enemies around. What's going on?
They probably know we're not going to run away, and are waiting for us to show up.
Well, if it's a fight they want, I'll be more than happy to give them one.
They're probably inside the Revel prison tower in the plaza. That's where the Lord here lives.
The same building with the spirit vessel that's gathering all of the light, huh?
We need to be careful of how we go from here. The fact Ganabelt knew about my healing arts and had that poison ready tells me he's extremely dangerous.
He's not dangerous. He's just a rat bastard who's getting what's coming to him.
I'm telling you, don't underestimate him. We don't know what else he's got in store for us. One misstep on our part is all it's going to take to give him what he wants.
You're right. Dad, what were you trying to tell me there at the end? I guess it'll have to stay unspoken and unheard. Like all the other things we never got round to telling each other.
I'm going in! Bring him down!
Lightning orb! More where that came from!
You're done! Megasonic drop!
Now! Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Got it.
No armor's a match for me!
You mean you can get past that shield?
Just let him do his thing.
I can carve through armor!
More where that came
On
from!
a roll now! Shattering the defense!
Its armor's too strong.
Now split it open!
Be my guest.
Anything in armor is all mine! I can carve through armor!
Here I go!
I'm on it! Swallow blade! Let's bring it down!
An astral art?
That's my cue!
Shut him down! Armor won't save me!
Here!
Swallow blade!
More for the stop time!
Do it!
This should make for some good weapon crafting material. Ganabelt must be somewhere inside. How about it, Law? Any idea which way it is?
This is a Renan castle. You think they were in the habit of letting a Dahnan like me inside?
Point taken.
The astral energy's off the scale. Almost like it's pressing down on me.
You can feel it?
The whole castle must be brimming with it. My hunch is it'll get stronger the deeper we go.
It must be the spirit vessel. You can bet anything it's pulsing with stored astral energy. We can't let Ganabelt use it against us.
Then we can assume that's his plan A.
Let him try. I'll destroy anything he throws at us.
This is...
Got it.
Be my guest!
That's my cue!
Now you see what
Shut
I
him
can
down!
Laser sight! Move away!
I'm out of ammo! Back into the
Stop
fray!
away!
Here it goes!
We're dead!
Sealed! Searing flame!
There's always room for improvement. It's on!
Engage! Longplay! Eat that! Support! Mission!
I'm the true gunslinger. Let's keep our eyes on the prize. Finally.
What is it?
I found an ingredient for that new recipe.
Ow! Bring him down! Flew away! Double demon support!
Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne. Hey!
Yes!
This place looks completely different from Balzer's castle.
Every lord has their tastes. Whether this really suits Renan's sensibilities is another matter altogether.
It's us.
This looks nice and tough.
Little help!
Where are you going?
For my lord! Ignite!
Here's the hero! Do it!
No shield can stand up to these things.
It's almost too strong.
Be my guest!
Well then, let's keep moving.
It'll be a breeze. Get in, get out.
I see one, eh?
I'll take my revenge on you!
Engaging!
I'll smash you!
My shield? We're not finished!
Do it! Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne.
What is this place? Some kind of armory?
Looks like they're more for decorative purposes than actual combat.
Does it matter? We've got a job to do.
Wait, this isn't Renan. It's Dahnan.
Really?
And not just this one either. All of these. It's all Dahnan gear.
What's Dahnan equipment doing on display inside a Renan castle?
Ask around later if you're so interested. But for now, we've got more pressing matters to attend to, remember?
this open the door?
We still don't know how to activate the elevator. We'll just have to see what we can figure out.
That bastard, giving us the runaround.
Gotta break through! Engaging! I'm on it! Eat this!
Searing flame! Reload!
Burning slap! Take down their defenses! Bring them down! Double demon fang!
Dance in the wind!
It's almost too strong.
Split it open! Be my guest!
An astral voice?
That's my cue.
Shut him down!
Looks like we won. They keep a Zoogle locked up down here? Why?
I've heard rumors that they feed prisoners to one instead of executing them. Do you think...
Stop it!
No choice! Blew away! Eat this!
Searing flame!
Lightning blast!
Lightning! Raging cascade!
Blew away!
Here it goes! Do it! That's a wielding sword! Now I've seen everything!
Flying freak! Why can't they just sit still?
Shionne, can you take care of them?
No sooner said than done!
Do it!
Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne.
Should this really be here?
Right, here
Here's the
goes!
healing art!
Double demon fang!
First in here!
You're done! Blew away!
Ethan! Attack time!
Burning slap!
These can run rings around us!
Blew away!
Well then, let's keep moving.
Does this look like an elevator key to you guys?
Only one way to find out. Let's go.
Do you sense one of your friends, Hoodle?
Are you still thinking about that armory with all the Dahnan equipment?
Yeah, especially that black armor. I don't think I've ever seen anything from Dahna that looked so nice.
I can tell you that it was definitely Dahnan. It was made using techniques found only here. That's how I know. But ever since the Renans came, our civilization's been scrubbed out, bit by bit. Hardly anything's left now, which is why most people don't remember.
But why would the Renans have something like that? Unless it was the spoils of war. It must be a token of the Dahnans who fought and lost in the past. Or rather, that the Renans were able to beat them.
Armor that nice must have been worn by a commander of some sort. They might have even been a Dahnan hero.
A hero, huh? A fallen hero, maybe.
I hate to see all that stuff fall into Renan hands, but it's amazing to see that so much of it has survived.
You into this kind of stuff then, Renwell?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Are we done here? We don't want to keep Ganabout waiting any longer.
No choice. I can carve through my shield. We're not finished. I'll run you through, Demon Fang. Radiant Slash. Move away.
I'll be saving this one.
Our work is done here. Let's... move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne.
No choice. Engaging! That's enough! Burn it up! I'll put that gun into your hand! My lord!
It's almost too strong.
Split it open! Be my guest! Now we're in the groove!
Too much to handle.
That's enough!
Lightning orb.
Move away! Swallow blade!
Lightning.
I'm practically unstoppable.
An opponent like this should be easy. I'm on it! Double fire support!
Here's a healing arm.
Swallow blade!
Your wings won't save you from me.
Bring him down! We got fire!
I got this. Let a marksman handle it, Claude.
All yours!
Lightning orb.
Raining slash!
Spread.
Onward and upward.
This looks nice. Isn't tough?
No choice!
Now you see what I can do!
My shield?
Steering away.
We're not
That
finished!
one's mine.
I'll run you through! Release!
I'll be saving this one.
I know Swallow blade!
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Go no further. Take first. I never miss. Look in the wind.
Throw away!
Do it.
Eat that! Swallow blade! We did it!
Burn it.
I'm on it! Double Demon Fang!
Now. Here I go.
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
Great. Now we can keep moving.
Don't overdo it, Law.
Let's keep our eyes on the prize.
No choice. The rebel! Stop that! You picked the wrong fight!
Release! Not on my watch!
Fire support! Swallow blade! Take the support!
I'm on board.
Listen!
I'll be
Armor won't save you! You won't make a fool of me! Demon Fang! I'll run you through!
Sleep now.
Blow away!
I'll be safe this one's
Demon Fang! I'm on Swallow blade!
Raging cascade.
Crumble blast! Swallow blade!
I never miss.
Demon Fang! Renan!
Only getting hooked up. Here's a healing
Demon Fang! Try harder! Give it up!
First aid. Don't you dare do the wind. In here.
Demon Fang! You picked the wrong fight! Swallow blade! Double Demon Fang!
By the power of water.
I'm Swallow blade!
Lightning
does it! Strike! Swallow blade!
Dance in the wind. Sleep
Double
now.
Demon Fang! I'm on Renan slap!
Mega ray.
Blow away! Look sharp! Lightning Tiger Blade!
I'm practically unstoppable.
You think the elevator's activated now?
Should be. Let's check and find out.
We're coming for you, Janabelt.
You're saying we should check the owl forest?
Let's dispose of the trash.
Fire support! Support! Listen! Slash! Swallow blade! Support! Listen! Double Demon Fang! I'm on it! Blow away! Storm!
I never miss!
Blow away! Raining slash! Blow away!
Lightning raging!
Double Demon Fang! Strike! Ignite! Double Demon Fang! Swallow blade! Swallow blade! I can carve through light! Double Demon Fang! I'll teach you respect!
Astral energy! Full throttle!
Certainly not bad.
No complaints here.
Just a little farther and we'll be there. I'm coming for you. Get a belt. Hey, hold up a sec, guys.
What's up?
We need to talk about Ganabelt. This guy can control both light and lightning, and I've heard his swordsmanship is unrivaled.
I'm not surprised. He is one of the top lords, after all.
That's not all. He also has these weird little gadgets that he likes to use.
Gadgets? You mean like some kind of a Renan weapon?
Probably. He's got a bunch of these things that hover all around him. They're supposed to protect him from attacks coming in at any angle.
I take it there aren't any blind spots then.
Nope. Which is why I plan to bust down his defenses from the front.
What? Why? Isn't that where his defense will be the toughest?
That's why it's worth attacking. Once I poke a hole in that bastard's defenses, the rest of you can tear it wide open and give him hell.
All right, we go with your plan, Law. Now let's get going. It's about time we got revenge for Zephyr.
It's about time. I was beginning to worry you jumped ship like the rats you are.
You're not so fortunate. We're here to end you. To liberate Cyslodia. To avenge Zephyr.
You talk big, but don't you think you're forgetting something? Of your precious resistance groups, whether the Silver Swords or any others, none have ever dealt a blow to Renan domination. In each and every realm, the story is the same. Until you. You, who wields the blazing sword of Calaglia, are different.
News of Balsef's defeat really took the wind out of your sails.
That brute? A bad case of brawn over brain. Certainly no loss to me. Still, even the smallest of sparks can grow into an inferno. I must give precedence to the task at hand, extinguishing you. Snuffing out your fire before it spreads across the 5 realms.
No, he can't be.
Rinwell?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Ah, Ganabelt Valkyris, Lord of Cyslodia, accept your challenge. Come and meet your death.
You'll pay for what you did to my father!
The feisty mouth wishes to bite the hand that feeds, does he?
I never wanted to serve you! I had no choice!
Double Demon Fang!
Reload! Lightning condemned! Thunder Blade!
Double Demon Fang!
Reload!
Swallow Blade! Strike into! Infernal Torrent! Perished by every attack!
Leave this to me. I'll take him down.
Thunder Tongue!
Not in your dreams!
Double Demon Fang!
That freaking does it!
You picked the wrong fight! I'm on it!
First aid!
You're done! Scurry up! Double Demon Fang! Try harder!
Light as blazing! I never miss!
Blue Weapon!
Here we go again.
By the power of war! Dance in the wind! the healing arm!
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Try harder! Double demon fang!
I really
Where
will
are
do
you
one.
going?
That freaking does it! Now you see what I can
Obstinate vermin! I think not.
The barrier's been broken! Everyone, focus your attack!
Pay for what you did!
Now I'm in the groove!
Throw away! Crumble!
Now!
Look sharp! Lightning Tiger Blade! We were just getting started! Burn and
Lightning power! Back into the lightning and death!
Drink deep the
He's
despair!
channeling astral energy!
Damn it! Can't get any closer!
If this keeps up... In here!
While the depths of
Seal!
despair consume thee!
Not on my watch!
Raining slap! Who commands all the astral plane!
Seal!
Blow away! Whilst thou art cursed to expire into nothing! Blow away! Who stands bathed in heavenly light!
Where are you going?
Whilst thou cowers before the gates of hell! Come forth, divine lightning! The end is imminent! Indignation! Insignificant worm! Now return to dust!
Here, let me help.
If we take another assault from that art, we're done for.
That mirage he creates. It can channel all of his energy.
Then I guess we gotta get in quick and hit him hard!
Blow away! I'm on it!
Dream into the shadow!
Try harder!
Mega ray!
Now you see what I can do!
Arc
Getting
field!
started! You picked the wrong fight!
Here's a healing not on my watch!
Blow away!
Fires in the wind!
Raining slap!
Air
Try harder! Crumble!
In here!
Double demon fang! Now you've done it! Double demon fang!
Seal! There! Got more for the sun! Lightning! Astral energy! More with that
Blow away!
Another miss!
Swallow blade!
Here's a healing arm!
I owe you one! Blade and you'll miss it! Try harder!
Recover!
I really want one! Rain slap! Stay about it, little rat!
Here, let me help! Lightning! Rage!
I'm on it!
I'll cover you! Here's
Blade
the
and you'll miss it! Swallow blade!
Seal! Hammer! More for the
And where are you? The blazing sword will be mine!
Now you see what I can do!
We're just getting started!
Not on my watch!
Eat this!
Eat dirt!
Searing flare!
Drink deep the despair!
Searing
Who am you nightmare with the abyss? Still going?
I'll finish him first!
While the depths of despair consume thee! Commands all the astral planes!
This ends now!
Consider yourself finished!
Have you learned your lesson? Not yet! For the sake of Lenacus and my fellow brethren on Dahna, I will not! No, I refuse to believe this. It cannot end this way. My subjects will...
It's over. But Zephyr's still gone.
Focus on the positive. We defeated a lord, and under difficult circumstances, too.
Focus on the positive? Zephyr's dead, Shionne.
And the Renans ruled this world unimpeded for 3 centuries. Did you think there wouldn't be any sacrifices?
So Zephyr's life just doesn't matter? He's dead, Shionne. Our friend is dead. We're fighting this damn war to keep people alive!
Yeah, you're right. This is a war. Did you just realize that? Zephyr wasn't the first to die, and he sure won't be the last. If you can't handle that, Alphen, then you should run back to Calaglia. And when you do, just remember to leave the blazing sword here, in safer hands.
What's that supposed to mean? Damn it. She just thinks she can say whatever she likes. Bickering among ourselves at a time like this isn't gonna get us anywhere. Especially at a time like this. All right. Fine.
So much for Ganabelt. Good riddance.
You said it.
So, was the Lord of Calaglia like Ganabelt too?
No. Balsef was huge, a real tough guy act. Now that I think of it, his crest was different too. His was a flaming cross.
Ah, I see. Anyway, what do you guys plan on doing from here?
We keep moving. 3 Renan lords remain, and we won't rest until their thrones are empty as well. That work for you, Shionne?
That was my endgame from the beginning.
Hey, so if it's not too much trouble, could I maybe come along?
Isn't Cyslodia your home?
I mean, yes, but it's just, now that everyone knows what I've been hiding, well, it might be best to get as far away as I can until it all quiets down. Is that okay? I promise I'll pull my own weight.
Sure. You're welcome to join us.
Taking off, huh?
Yeah. Thanks for everything.
It's too bad. I wish there was more we could do to pay you back for all you've done. I'll see to it personally that Zephyr's remains reach Calaglia safely.
What's next for Cyslodia?
I honestly couldn't tell you. The enemy infiltrated its way right to our core as a people. Only time will tell if we can rise above our suspicions and come together.
Zephyr once told me that so long as you don't give up, there's no wall that can't be torn down.
Sounds about right. And thanks to you, the greatest obstacle that was in our way is now gone. I suppose the rest of it will be up to us.
I look forward to seeing how far you'll go.
Oh, I almost forgot. Before you head off, there's something I wanted to give you.
Wow, look at you. You scrub up real nice.
It was a parting gift.
It's like speaking to one of the old Dahnan heroes from legend.
Where to next, then?
Elda Menancia. You're really going to travel in that thing?
Why not? It's not as heavy as it looks. Actually, there's someone I was hoping we could invite along with us.
You can't be serious.
Got someplace to be?
Not really. I mean, I can't stay here, of course. And again, there's no one waiting for me back in Calaglia either. Plenty of ditches along the road. Maybe I'll find one to die in.
How about a fresh start?
After the kinds of things I've done, I don't know where I'd even begin.
Your father said that as long as you face the past, there's hope.
I think it might be a little late for that.
He also said he'd fought and lost all his life, but didn't regret it in the slightest. It's only over when you give up. Keep fighting, and even that wall inside you can be brought down. Don't you want to see what your dad saw on the other side of that wall? What he was fighting for?
Do you think I'm even worthy to?
That's for you to decide.
I'm sick of losing everything I love. Of running from life. Maybe all that's left is to just turn around and face it. Count me in.
Finally. I thought you'd never finish. We've still got a ways to go.
Here we go, Hoodle.
This armor was a gift from Bregan. What if it really... did belong to a